We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC-8220, where if you've been getting a replace your drum message, we're going to show you how to replace that drum and reset that message. So the first thing you're going to want to do is lower the front door. So you're going to push this top button here and bring the front door down. There you'll locate the toner and drum where they're actually together. So you're going to remove the toner and drum. Once you have the toner and drum removed, you'll see that there's a little blue tab on the right side of the drum. You're going to press down on that little blue tab and lift and rotate to remove the toner. Once the toner is removed, then we can get our new drum. So we have our new Onyx drum here. Inside of every Onyx drum, there are written instructions. So in case you need a little reminder or a little refresher when you actually go to replace yours, there are written instructions. Now we have our new drum. In order to install the toner back into the new drum, you're going to just slide the front of it in and you'll feel it kind of click back into place. Once the toner is installed in the drum, you'll find a little blue tab at the very top of the drum. You're going to take that little blue tab and slide it all the way across the full length of the drum about 2 or 3 times. And it's really important to make sure that you end in the same place that you started at. You'll actually find there's 2 arrows pointed at each other. That's how you can tell that you're in the right spot. But it's very important that that winds up back where it started. Once you've finished with that, we're going to reinstall the toner and the drum. There we go. And you'll feel it kind of click back into place. Once it's been reinstalled, we're going to actually leave that front door open, and you're going to press the clear back button. It'll ask you to replace drum. You're going to press 1 for yes. And then just like that, you've replaced your drum and reset the drum counter and the machine, so it'll be back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.